Welcome the Art Channel. Today we how to log into Medium Publications, manage writing and post step by step clearly. To log into Medium Publications, start by opening your web browser. Type in the URL for Medium, which is medium.com. Once you're on the home page, look for the Sign In button located at the top right corner. Click the Sign In button to proceed. You will be presented with several login options. You can choose to sign in using your Google account. Alternatively, you can choose to log in using your Facebook account. If you prefer, you can also enter your email address and password directly. Enter your email address in the provided field if you chose this option. Then, type in your password in the corresponding field. After entering your credentials, click the Sign In button. Once logged in, you'll see your Medium dashboard. From here, locate the Publications tab on the left sidebar. Click on the Publications tab to view your associated publications. Select the publication you want to manage by clicking on its name. This will take you to the Publications Management page. Here, you can view your posts and manage settings. To create a new post, click the New Story button. You can now begin writing and formatting your new article. Once you finish, make sure to save your draft or publish it. To manage existing posts, navigate back to your Publications page. Click on any post title to edit or delete it as needed. Keep your publication updated regularly to engage your readers. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your writing and posts on Medium Publications. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.